Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best drill press on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is 142.088 inches 5-speed drill press. One is known to make a wide range of power tools for all kinds of applications. It even makes various drill press options, including the 142.08 drill press. The 142.08 drill press is present in the first position as it is the cheapest option when compared with other options in this review. Even then, it can offer an excellent drilling performance with this 8-inch drill size that provides a balance between form factor and drilling performance. This drill is powered by a decently powerful 1/3 HP motor. It offers 5 different motor speeds that range from 740 RPM to 3140 RPM, as per the user's requirement. Such high RPM speeds in an 8-inch drill press allow you to drill quite easily using various drill bits that can fit in its 1/2 inch keyed chuck. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dremel drill press. Dremel is one of the most popular brands of drills and related accessories out there. And it even makes a drill press that is quite different from most other options out there. Unlike other drill presses present in this review, this one uses a standard drill and clamps it in place. As a result, this allows you to use your existing drill as a drill press. Another great thing about this drill press is that it is quite compact and portable. This is possible due to the fact that it has a drill size or depth of just 2 inches. You can even use this drill press to make angled holes of up to 15 degrees as per your requirement. Since this drill press is made by Dremel, it is compatible with a wide range of Dremel rotary tool models out there. Number 3. Our third best pick is 142/14 12-inch variable speed drill press. We are here with another excellent drill press option from one in this review. This 142/14 drill press offers many things for its given price. As per its name, this drill press has a drill size of 12 inches. And this one provides a great balance between size and performance of this drill press. It is powered by a decent 2/3 HP motor that is quite decent for drilling even into hard materials with ease. This motor can offer a speed of 580 RPM to 3200 RPM as per the user's needs. You get a 5/8 inch keyed chuck in this drill press that is quite good for the price. It offers a spindle travel of 3 1/8 inch that is easy to adjust as per your requirement. But unlike the previous one drill press, this one comes with a better build quality. In other words, it can last for a decent period of time without any issues. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BILT Hard 2.3 amp 8-inch drill press. BILT Hard is a relatively small brand. Nevertheless, the brand manufactures superior quality hardware equipment to help you get the job done. It has a large product portfolio of miscellaneous power tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. BILT Hard's drill press is equipped with a small 8-inch drill that is perfect for small drilling jobs. It has a 7/64 5/8 inch keyed chuck that supports a wide range of drill bits for the most versatile drilling experience. Plus, it has a 13¼ inch swing and a 3 1/8 inch spindle travel. The drill press can be used to drill through wood, metal, plastics, and other materials with relative ease. With 16 adjustable speeds, you can set the exact speed to drill through the material. It offers a variable speed between the range of 220 and 3,600 RPM. Also, it has adjustable depth for precision depth drilling, irrespective of the material. The flexible work table has a 45-degree left and right bevel for angled drilling along with a 11.41-inch diameter. The metal part is made of steel or cast aluminum for maximum durability. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is ShopFox W1668 3/4 HP 13-inch benchtop drill press. ShopFox is another option that you can look out for if you want to buy power tools like a drill press. The W1668 drill press from ShopFox offers various useful features to the user. As per its name, you get a drill size of 13 inches in this drill press. This 13-inch size offers a great balance between performance and the form factor of this drill. It uses a decently powerful 3/4 HP motor to power this drill. And it can offer motor speeds of up to 1725 RPM along with a spindle speed range of 250 RPM to 3050 RPM. You get a 5/8-inch chuck in this drill press that is quite similar to other options out there. It also offers various useful accessories to the user that can come in handy while using this drill press. Just like various other drill presses, this one also comes with a decent build quality. Grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.